From day one, the word cannabis shortage has been in the headlines, and the lack of product has been blamed on a mixed bag of problems, from supply chain and packaging issues to poor planning on the part of government at all levels. National Access Cannabis sells both recreational and medicinal marijuana and has the largest retail footprint in Canada, with 23 stores to date, and they have felt the impact firsthand.
There's a tremendous amount of lost opportunity right now because we are having to say, unfortunately, to our customers, we don't have it. Right? So when you look at the spectrum of what people are asking for today, it's high THC flower, it's pre-rolls, and it's that high CBD oil for more of health and wellness concerns. It's hard to get all of those things, or it's very hard to keep it in stock. We're talking to a variety of licensed producers across Canada, some of them which are small with ambitions to grow big, and of course the other side of the spectrum are the very, very large LPs that right now have massive market caps and great ambitions for square feet of production space. They're telling us, regardless of the size, that production is going to improve. They're going to get more quantity available to diverse markets over time, which means right now they might be only serving 1 or 2 provinces, but because of what they have in their forecast, they're able to expand and provide more across additional provinces.
So what does the shortage mean for the consumer in the long run? Typically, when demand exceeds supply, prices can only go up.
In a shortage, you would expect prices to go up, but that also depends on whether or not the retailer is acting like a normal business. So in the case of, say, Ontario or Quebec, where we've currently got Crown Corporation monopoly on sales, they can choose not to target profit and keep prices competitive with the black market. But for retail stores, if there's a shortage and you can sell out with higher prices, then as a private business, why wouldn't you do that?
We cannot change pricing to deal with that and let's say improve our bottom line because one, we don't want to gouge customers. You know, that's not the right way to start an industry, start a business and create a brand reputation.
When asked, Prime Minister Trudeau told the Canadian press he believes that the supply shortage problem will disappear within a year, and industry insiders agree.
We'll see a pivot point, and I believe it will be towards the end of 2019, where enough capacity is coming online to serve the big markets across Canada. And I do hope that the control boards start to pay attention to some of the smaller players as well, because some of them do have products sitting in their vault that is not accounted for at the moment.
What has been accounted for is the fact that there are still a lot of buyers who haven't yet made the switch to purchasing their pot through legal means. Imagine how short retailers would be if they had.
Basically, the level of sales in the legal market is nowhere close to what Statistics Canada estimates our expenditures to be, so there's quite a lot of black market activity still out there.
For Midas Letter Live, I'm Liz West.